Face wash is important in cleaning your skin. In some cases, chemical-based face wash may harm your skin and makes your skin even worse. So you should make your own face wash to avoid these chemicals. In this video, we will show you how you can make your face wash at home for soft, smooth and glowing skin. For making this face wash, you will need unscented and uncolored liquid castor soap, aloe vera juice, 1/4 cup unfiltered raw honey or chamomile tea, 3 to 4 teaspoons of grapeseed oil, 8 drops of essential oil of your choice, and 1/4 cup of vitamin E oil. Take a small glass bottle and pour all the ingredients into it. Close the bottle and shake well to combine. You can use it as a routine face wash daily and store it in a refrigerator. For making this face wash, you need 1/4 cup liquid castor soap, 1/4 cup rose water, 1 teaspoon wild turmeric, 1 tablespoon rosehip oil, and 5 to 6 drops of lavender essential oil. Take a small glass container and pour all the ingredients in it one by one. Then add turmeric in it and close the lid. Now shake it well to dissolve the mixture. Use it as a regular